Good morning, students. Hope you are doing well. So, this whole controversy of new syllabus and all that of UGC NET English Literature examination is something inauthentic, and teachers who are teaching the new syllabus are teaching the same old topics and giving them new names and just trying to create some fear among the students. But don't worry, Limitless Literature is here to debunk all the myths and to help you throughout your preparation. All right. So, what we are doing here on our official website, I will take you to the computer screen. You can direct here to the official website Limitless Literature, click over UGC NET and click here. Okay, so this is the 2025 English Literature question paper. Okay, click over here, and what you are going to find is how we have see, if I lie doesn't matter, but the question paper, the evidences, the proofs do not lie at all. 37 questions came from literary theory and criticism, British literature. 18 questions we have already discussed. Now what we are trying to do over here is to debunk this marketing gimmick, is that after every single question, okay, what we have done is that we are updating the complete playlist. Okay, so you will be here looking at the complete playlist. And now what we have done is that after every video, like you watch the video, you understand the video, and you don't have to make the notes. You simply download the PDF lectures of the notes. Everything is explained. Whatever I am speaking in these videos, you will be able to access all the PDF, take the printouts, whatever I'm teaching you over here. All these are the previous year questions. Okay, this is a UGC NET English Literature previous year question that speak the truth. You have to prepare for your December attempt according to the competitive examination point of view, or else I can teach you the JNU, DU, but kahan se we can pick up the topics and we can just throw it at your face, but then it's not a smart study. You have to qualify competitive exams, you have to study smartly, and you have to prepare according to the things that have already been asked and how you can analyze the questions, what they are asking. The newcomer will not understand. Whatever you give to the newcomer, he will understand these things, but the students who have been preparing or who have given this third attempt or fourth attempt can understand me. What I'm trying to say, for your comfort, you can simply download all these PDF lectures, okay, along with the videos. You watch the videos, you download the PDF lecture, you make the notes, and of course you have to prepare again the same way. Literary theory, I have already mentioned the booklets. You have to prepare according to competitive exams. Again, there could be thousands of notes that we can provide, but everything will be irrelevant if you are not preparing. I have been teaching here for 6 years, and Limitless Literature is always here to help you through all the competitive examinations. Okay, so I will see you soon in the next video. We are updating more videos along with the PDF lectures, so that you do not go astray, you do not go on another path. So I will see you soon. That's it. Thank you.